Welcome to the Zip Code Cipher YouTube channel. We are here to inform you on today's trends and tomorrow's forecast when it comes to real estate. So today's spotlight state is going to be New York, as you can see here on the screen. First, let's look into for sale inventory in New York. So we can see in 2020, it's just been a steady decline. It was about 53,000. In 2021, it was 41,000. 2022, just shy of 40,000. Seen a nice low in 2023 at 35,000, almost 36. 2024, it did go up a bit to 36,819. And this year so far, it is in a small upwards trend at 38,654. We can see that the 12-month forecast for New York is sitting positive at plus 4.5%, despite the very, very small upwards momentum in for sale inventory. Sales inventory growth hit a low in 2021 at negative 22.8%. Popped up nicely in 2022 at negative 3.2. 2024, it was positive 2.4%. And so far for 2025, we're at positive 4.9. Actual home sales for New York, 2020 it was sitting at 16.9 thousand. 2022 it was sitting at 13.2 thousand. 2024 it was sitting at 11.9, and currently so far for this year it's sitting at for 2025 it's sitting at 12.1 thousand. As far as price cuts go, obviously 2020 was a low, sitting at 11.4%. In 2022, it did spike up to 15.6%, but as far as 2025 goes, we're back down to a 12.4%. Days on market in New York, 2020 saw 58 days on market. 2022 saw 65 days on market. 2024 saw 61 days, and now currently so far for 2025, it's 64. So still below the mean average on that. Population seems to be hovering around the 19.8 million, kind of bounces around, but nothing extreme upwards and nothing extreme downwards. Median household income in 2019, 2020, it was around 71,000. Now in 2025, you're sitting at 87.5 thousand. Birth death ratio for New York still sitting above the mean average at 1.27. Domestic migration in 2020, 2021, it saw between 203,000 and about 295,000, and is now spiking back upwards. In 2023, it was negative 176,000. Now it's at a negative 120,000, almost a negative 121,000. So that's going to wrap up the New York data that we see here. If you want to know what's going on in your area, just put your state or zip code in the comments below, and we'll make a video for you. Hope you have a good day.